Till There Was You. This is the melody plus bass plus chords low. I look at this, I see a few things I would change here, but let's talk about what's going on here. Start with the intro, and remember that this little intro melody, this actual that's a Beatles creation, that little melody, the way it goes down like that. Very nice, but it's really just based on these chords. So we can take these chords, it's really the first two bars, E, F diminished, F sharp minor 7, and B7 or B9, the way I have this written here, repeated. And that's a big part of the movement in the song, really, too. So you can kind of play that any way you want, as it's written, or just play on the chords and get familiar with that. See, the thing is, I wrote that F diminished in two different ways. The very first way it appears there, I wrote it to accommodate that melody, and that F with the fourth finger, that's a little bit tricky, but that's the only way to put that melody in there. But again, you don't have to play that melody. If you're playing this song for someone, nobody really cares or knows if you're doing the Beatles intro like that. So the idea is play the chords. E, F diminished, F sharp minor 7, B9. Here's some approaches to playing the intro chords, which is again really kind of a common progression to up higher. And to analyze this a little more, back to that E, F sharp E, F diminished, F sharp minor 7, B7, what that is in the key of E, how that diminished chord's functioning. This is part of a longer discussion, but let's just put it that when a bass line moves like that, up chromatically, and then that F diminished is the 5, it's functioning as the 5 of the next chord, the 5 of F sharp minor, the 5 of 2. I'll say that again. When I go like this, and I'll do it up high, and I'll explain this, but up higher, E major 7, F diminished, F sharp minor, that F sharp diminished, that's the 5 of, it's functioning as the 5 of the F sharp minor. What it is, if you break it down, is the 5, it's the flat 9. So you could call it a C sharp 7, flat 9. Say that again, it's confusing. The F diminished in this song, Till There Was You, F diminished 7, in every case is functioning as the 5 of the next chord. It's functioning as the 5 of 2. 5 of 2 is C sharp 7. All right? So up high, that's going to be, look a couple different ways. So what I'm really playing is a vamp that's very common. It's 1, 5 of 2, 2 to 5. And we know that 2 to 5, that's F sharp minor, B7, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 5 of 2, 2, 5. I'm going to break them down to shells. There's an E major 7 shell with the major 7 on top, but watch it. I can move that to a diminished shell. So the shells up here, E major 7, F diminished 7, just with 3 notes, F sharp minor 7, B7 shells. You play those shells, you know those. So let me do that again. Chord, you can always add another note to these. E major 7 shell, F diminished shell, F sharp minor 7 shell, B7 shell. So you play it like a vamp, you can play with the little rhythm. Diminished. So 1, 5 of 2, 2,